Hey there, welcome back to Seigneurens Studio. I'm JB.
And I'm Lucy. Today, we're diving into the third chapter of the book of Proverbs. Whether you're a believer or not, this chapter is packed with wisdom and life advice that can benefit everyone.
That's right, Lucy. Proverbs 3 offers a rich treasure of practical knowledge. So let's jump right in and explore its insights together.
Our journey begins with verses 1 and 2, which remind us not to forget the teachings and commandments that can lead to a long and peaceful life.
That's a great starting point, Lucy. Moving on to verses 3 and 4, we're encouraged to embrace mercy and truth. These qualities not only help us find favor with God and other people but also lead to a better understanding of the world around us.
In verses 5 and 6, we learn about trusting in the Lord with all our heart and acknowledging Him in all our ways. This trust can help guide our paths and keep us on the right track in life.
Speaking of staying on track, let's not forget verse 7. It warns against being wise in our own eyes and encourages us to respect the Lord and turn away from evil.
Oh, absolutely, JB. And verse 8 promises that doing so will bring health and strength to our bodies.
Moving along, verses 9 and 10 advise us to honor the Lord with our resources and the first fruits of our labor. In return, we'll be blessed with abundance and prosperity.
Verses 11 and 12 remind us not to despise the Lord's discipline and correction. Just like a loving father, God corrects those He loves and delights in.
Now, let's talk about the beautiful description of wisdom in verses 13 to 18. Wisdom is portrayed as more precious than silver, gold, or rubies, and it leads to a life of happiness, longevity, and peace.
Absolutely, JB. And verses 19 and 20 tell us that it's through wisdom that the Lord founded the earth and established the heavens. Wisdom is truly powerful.
As we near the end of this chapter, verses 21 to 26 remind us to keep wisdom and discretion close, as they will provide life, grace, safety, and confidence in our walk with the Lord.
And now for the home stretch. Verses 27 to 31 teach us about the importance of being good to our neighbors, not devising evil against them, and not envying the ways of oppressors.
That's right, Lucy. These verses emphasize the value of treating others with kindness and fairness. Now, in verses 32 to 35, we're reminded that the Lord despises the deceitful, but He shares His secrets with the righteous. The wise will inherit glory, but shame awaits the foolish.
Wow, JB. Proverbs 3 truly is a treasure trove of wisdom for young people and everyone else. It teaches us about trust, humility, wisdom, and the importance of treating others well.
Absolutely, Lucy. And it's a great reminder that whether you're a believer or not, the wisdom found in this chapter can make a real difference in your life.
So, friends, we hope you enjoyed exploring Proverbs 3 with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Seigneurens Studio for more insightful content.
And let us know in the comments below how you've applied the wisdom of Proverbs 3 in your own life. We'd love to hear from you.
Until next time, I'm Lucy.
And I'm JB. Take care, and stay wise.